welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you guys have a Chevy vehicle, guys, Chevy or Buick, GMC, and I will just name a few, but you can check the list in the description of the video below, like Chevy Malibu, Equinox, Chevy Cruze, Sonic, Verano, guys, GMC Terrain, Buick as well, and you have a problem with the torque converter not engaging, okay, or you have the problems with your torque converter transmission, stay with us, guys. We'll explain what could be a simple fix to that. So if your torque converter is not engaging, if you have a code related to that, guys, it could be a simple fix, and we'll explain what it could be. Now, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get, guys, here at the shop, so please, guys, subscribe. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So this is the transmission installed on that Chevy Cruze, but the same transmission, the same kind, is used on many Chevy, GMC and Buick vehicles as well. Okay, you can see we took everything apart. The torque converter is located between the transmission and the engine, okay, and the transmission and engine, that's where your torque converter is located. But there is a valve, guys, a solenoid that controls that torque converter to be activated or engaged and disengaged. You can see all these canals, guys, okay. This is the valve body of the vehicle, okay, right here, and the oil flows through different canals. One of those canals is responsible for the torque converter. But what engages and disengages the torque converter? The transmission computer, guys, which is this thing, okay, right here, this is your transmission computer, tells one of the solenoids, okay, to activate so the torque converter can engage. Now, if you have problems with your torque converter, guys, we'll explain which of those solenoids is for that purpose. Now, the solenoid, guys, responsible for that torque converter is this solenoid. even if you have a generation 1 or 2 on that transmission, it will be the same location. It will be this solenoid right here. Looking from the right side to left, it will be the third one. Okay, you can see this solenoid is for the torque converter. Now, if it's bad, guys, okay, sometimes they stick, sometimes they burn. We have a video that explains how to test those as well, okay, and tell you if it's a good one or not. And we have a video, guys, that explains how to replace it, how to get to here and all that stuff. So please check out the video. For the test, all you need is an ohm meter, okay, pretty simple, but you will have to take it apart to remove the solenoid and test it. You should never ever test the solenoid itself here, okay, because otherwise, okay, you can severely damage something. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you having problems with your torque converter and your transmission. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.